You have Facebook and you have Twitter, and or if you have an Instagram, here's what we're going to do. We want all of you who are seeing this right now, we want you to go to your Facebook, we want you to go to your Twitter, we want you to go to your Instagram, and we want you to like Kia of Valencia, KiaofValencia.com. If you guys go to, well, first of all, KiaofValencia.com and Facebook Kia of Valencia, go and like us. If you like us and we see that you like us, you come and test drive a car. I bet you they might give you Clipper tickets. I don't know, just for test driving a car. But all you gotta do is log on to your Facebook, type in Kia of Valencia, and like us, share us with your friends, tell them about us. We're gonna have a bunch of promotions going on. We're gonna be doing a lot of fun things, giving away a lot of great things, $25 gas cards, $50 gas cards, gift certificates to get your coffee from Pete's. And if you're a business, a local business that is in Valencia, and you like us, we'll like you back, and we'll make sure that we help you guys as much as you help us. We appreciate everybody coming and liking Kia of Valencia. We want you to like us. We want you to follow us. We'll follow you too. We'll help you guys no matter what. We'll put you in a new car, and we'll do it the right way. We'll make sure you guys, if you're 18 years old and you're looking to build your credit, you need to come here. You need to like us on Facebook. You need to talk about us on Twitter. Now, I'm not sure if you guys know who Michael Crawford is, but if you don't, you need to know Michael Crawford. Michael Crawford is the general manager here at Kia of Valencia, and he wants to put you in a new car. And not only that, he also wants you to come in and just say hello. Look up Michael Crawford. He's a really, really good spirit, and God's blessed us with him. So I hope you guys really take my advice. I think if you do that, you'll find a good person in Michael Crawford. No doubt about it.